Hey gamers! If you're excited to load up your Nintendo account for the latest games and subscriptions in 2025, you're in the perfect spot. Today, I'll guide you through the simple process of adding money, making it easier than ever to dive into the Nintendo eShop. Whether you're on your Switch console or the website, this step-by-step tutorial will have you set up in no time. First off, why bother? Adding funds lets you buy digital games, expansions, and online services without any hassle. Before we start, ensure you have a Nintendo account. Sign up for free on the official site if you don't, and a valid payment method like a credit card or PayPal. Step 1. Log into your Nintendo account using your email and password on the Nintendo website or directly from your Switch. Make sure you're connected to the internet for a smooth experience. Step 2. Once logged in, head to the Nintendo eShop. On your Switch, just launch the eShop app from the home screen. On the website, navigate to the eShop section. Step 3. In the eShop, click on your user icon or profile in the top corner to access your account settings. This is where you'll manage your wallet. Step 4. Look for the Add Funds or Nintendo eShop Balance option. It might be under a menu like Your Funds, selected to proceed. Step 5. Choose your preferred payment method from the available options, such as credit, debit card, PayPal, or even a gift card code. Step 6. Enter the necessary details for your payment. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any transaction errors. Step 7. Select the amount you want to add. Nintendo usually offers presets like $10 or $20, or you can enter a custom amount. Step 8. Review the details, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation on screen and possibly an email from Nintendo. And there you have it. Your account is now funded and ready for shopping. If you encounter any issues, check Nintendo's support page for help. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more gaming tips. Happy playing in 2025.